K10 high-end cloth spreader with independent patent technology. 1 cloth pulling device, 2 cutting knife cloth pulling devices, 3 photoelectric cloth pulling devices, and down-pressing locking mode. It fills the domestic gap. Chinese-English interface, convenient operation. Knitting and weaving, matching and rolling dual use, non-cloth sensing, emergency stop, fully automatic intelligent control. The diversified and multifunctional product structure is highly recognized by the majority of cooperative enterprises.